Okay, now we're going to get down and dirty. We're going to use the journal as the setup of what the approach would be during a day trade. Understand this is sell the news checklist, which means we're looking for down trades. First on the journal, you'll put the date. Next is ticker. That's obvious. Then we're going to be looking for stocks over $30 that are currently in a 5% up gain. So using TradingView or something like that, large caps, gainers, most volatile, overbought, double click on percent change, scroll down till you find something that is over $30, over 5% gainer for the day. Now what? We want to make sure that the company did not sell out, nor do they have an upcoming dividend. We also want to make sure there's at least 2 lines of resistance. So we'll click on the chart. Just from a quick estimate, I would say we're against resistance. Second resistance, probably range box. So we can check that off. Then look at the news. They didn't sell the company. So here we are under banks, double click percentage, find a ticker over $30 and over 5%. Look up news. You can see there's nothing about selling the company. Actually, it has bad news, but it's going up today. So we can fill all these boxes in. BAP, 149.50, yes and no. What's next is we want 2 lines of resistance, some kind of divergence, a high IV, and a break-even price 5% higher. Okay, here we are on the charts, up against resistance. Another place of resistance will be this high here, making a double top. We have high implied volatility, 0.8. We have 2 areas of resistance. We have a divergence. We have a high implied volatility. And you're probably asking the question of, what does this BE plus 5% higher mean? Well, BE stands for break even. So right here, when we were up against those 2 levels of resistance, you could see that the stock was at $145, but then moved up from $145 to $149.50. So I like to write in here what it would be higher by 5% in case the stock like this one went against me. So when I'm looking at the option chain at the money is 145 through 150. And that's what I want to know is what the difference of the 5% will be to pick out which option chain I want to get into. Because we're looking for high volatility, we're going to be selling vertical calls, which is a bear call spread. On this particular trade, we have a little bit, but not much volume. And this is how I run the trade alerts, and you'll run your trades. You'll see the exact strike price of calls we sold and the strike price of the calls we bought. You will see the max loss of the trade, $250, versus the max profit of the trade, $250. But we always set our stop, and we will put this in there for you, at 50% profit, meaning once this gets to $125, we're going to take our profits and run. If you would like to change this strategy up, that's fine for you. And we'll set a break-even line at $147.50 so that we can know where our break-even parameter is on the chart. Then you'll see this when closing out the trade. Now you're buying back the 145 strikes, and you're selling back the 150 strikes. Before, you were at $250 for the max cost. Now the max loss is $125. You're leaving that on the table, and you're gaining it here, $375, which includes your $125 profit. Your risk is a 1-to-1 ratio, $250 to $250, 45 to expiration day, yes. Cost amount of the trade, cost amount minus 50% to close out the trade. And then what was your profit? So when you're open a trade on Thinkorswim, it will be red, indicating that you're selling. The price is $2.50 per contract. There's 100 contracts, and that's why you come up to $250. You'll always want this to be as far away as it can be from zero, at the midpoint. Then when closing out the trade, you can see this is green because you're buying it back. You can see we did the halfway number of 125, which was $2.50 before. And now your mid is the low. This one actually shows that it's lower than the mid because we're at $1.75. Next thing is change this from day to GTC, and that way it'll expire without you having to watch it. $2.50. We filled this in because you set your target, good till cancel, and this is your potential profit. And that's how we'll manage the trades in Sell the News.